Hello everyone. Today's topic is the Flam Paradiddle. This will be a short video where I explain what it is. I'll dissect it down into its parts, and you'll want to stay around until the end where I'll give you a bonus exercise to help play this better. So let's get into it. Okay, what is the Flam Paradiddle? I consider it a hybrid rudiment because it's two rudiments, the flam and the paradiddle, put together to create one rudiment, the Flam Paradiddle. This is definitely one of the harder of the 40 rudiments to play due to the technical control it takes. That being said, let me break it down for you. First off, let me demonstrate the main part of this rudiment, the paradiddle. If you haven't seen my video on the paradiddle, I suggest you check it out after this one. I'll put a link in the description below, but for now, here's a brief explanation. The paradiddle is a combination of singles and doubles. Singles, right, left, followed by one double, right, right. Then switch to the left side, singles left, right, followed again by one double, left, left. Put them together and you get the following. Notice also that I'm accenting the first note of each side of the paradiddle. Next, we have the flam. But before I go any further, let me know down in the comments what your favorite flam rudiment is. Okay, the flam is nothing more than your main note with a grace note just before it. Main note, right hand, nice and high, grace note, left hand, very low. And notice the grace note is playing ahead of it. Then switch sides with the main note left hand nice and high and the grace note right hand very low. Now, knowing these two separate rudiments, let's put them together. Put the flam on the accented note of the paradiddle. I'll start right-handed. Then switch sides. Oops, made a mistake. Once you're comfortable with each side, play them back to back non-stop. Remember to start slowly and build speed gradually. Now, on to the bonus exercise. One thing you'll probably realize rather quickly is that this can get hard to control at faster tempos. So here's the bonus exercise I promised you at the beginning. Play the Flam Paradiddle at a slow tempo with each stick on a different surface. Notice how each side, left and right, has to play 4 very controlled small taps in a row? That one thing is what makes this rudiment harder to play. So I want you to try this technique exercise with me. It's 1 accented note followed by a slight pause, followed by the 4 controlled small taps. Here we go, right-handed. Play this with me. Now, let's switch to the left side. Again, play this with me. Once you're comfortable with this exercise, go back and try playing the Flam Paradiddle all together, both hands, back to back. So there you have it, the Flam Paradiddle. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, check out my paradiddle and flam videos right here. And until the next time, everybody, happy drumming and take care.